Hey guys, it's McSuper and welcome back to NBA Live Mobile. Happy Thursday! Today we're going to go over the NBA Live Top 100 limited time event. Collect top 100 tokens from the Top 100 Blitz, Spotlight, and Top 100 Challenge events. Increase your overall to unlock more Top 100 events and earn more players. Throughout the season, more releases of Top 100 will become available. So there's 78 overalls that we can get from these. You have also an 82 overall Kyrie Irving here as well, which is essentially the master of this campaign here. Okay, let's look through these events here. First of all, we have these events, the starter events, that we can get these emblem points or whatever. You can use these emblem points to exchange them for NBA Top 100 tokens, which is very, very good. You can also get these Top 100 Blitz packs with 2 of these events, and you can also get an occasional token, a Spotlight token there for a player. In this case, it was Clint Capella. Let's look at the store and see what packs they have for the Top 100. We have a Primetime Boost, that's not a Top 100 thing. We have the NBA Top 100 Bundle, which gives you 250 Top 100 emblems. You can also watch ads. Watch ads 5 times to get 500 emblems and 5 tokens, which is very, very good. So, let's do a couple of these events, shall we? Here's fun little challenges, so they're not that hard. They're 30 stamina each, and let's see what we get from one of these Top 100 Blitz packs. I believe you can get 5 to 24 of these emblems, and we got 24, so a pretty lucky one there. You can do all these events. You can do 10 of them every couple hours or so. So it's really fun. Here's the Blitz number 2 event. They're all very simple events, luckily. That's a good thing. Man. Wow. Well, that counts as that one? Wow. Talk about glitches. Alright, there we go. Let's see what we get from these Blitz 2 packs. I believe it's the same thing. And once again, we got 24 Top 100 emblems. Alright, so let's do one more. How about that? No, we needed to dunk. No! Do dunks, man! What? Hello? Unknown error. That's mean. Well, let's do that event again then. Okay. That's honestly very mean. Oh let's keep opening these up, see what we get from this one. Oh, only 12 tokens. That brings us to 187 emblems. Let's get an NBA Top 100 token. Next thing we're gonna do a 35 plus minus token or whatever the heck that was. Alright, so let's watch those ads. Ads unavailable. That's mean. That's very mean. Well, that's 3 of the tokens. You can also turn in these tokens for 8 emblems, which is cool. And there's 6 of those unique tokens for the 8 badges, which is good. Badges work as well in these sets. For the Master Kyrie Irving, you need all 6 of the 78s, which is a little bit of a honest to goodness scam.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I skipped to where I got lots of tokens, and now we can get a release 1 player, 78 plus. I watched those ads off screen. Alright, bam! We got a Brandon Ingram, which is a nice power forward. These players are all non-auctionable, unfortunately, or else it would be quite a fun thing. Let's look at Brandon Ingram and see how his stats look like. I'm sure it's a pretty good thing to get these 78s. Really boost your team up a little bit. Alright, now that we've gotten that done, let's open up a pro pack to end off the video. That's our little pack opening that we have every episode. Bam, 65 overall Myers Leonard. Alright. Well, I suppose that's basically going to do it for today. We'll hopefully have a great weekend. We're going to try to stick to the schedule of Tuesday and Thursday uploads. Of course, if there's anything important or anything good that's going on in NBA Live Mobile over the weekend, I will do a video. But if not, we'll see you guys next Tuesday for our regular NBA Live Mobile video. As well, we'll see you guys on Saturday for Reading with Nick Super. Hope you enjoyed that. It's our 13th episode. And that's going to be it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys Saturday. Smash that like button if you enjoyed it. And as always, it is time for us to go. See you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Take care, everyone. Have a great weekend, everyone.